We got married this year, but I think this might be a more exciting day for me. Let's talk about the Glossybox Advent Calendar 2025. If you know me, you know I love the Glossybox Advent Calendar. It is always one of the best of the entire year. So let's talk all about it and see all the content. It's going to be a good one, so get yourself a cup of tea and get ready. So this advent calendar is worth a whopping £624. However, we all know that's not what they're selling it for. So I'm going to put the prices here. But basically, if you're a Glossybox subscriber, you will get it for much cheaper than the non-subscribers. However, if you are a non-subscriber, I have a cheeky discount code. It's ADVENT5, which will get you £5 off. I'll put the information here as well as in the description box. But let's just get into it. There is 25 boxes to open. It's gonna be a wild ride, so let's just dive in. But first of all, let me quickly try and show you the box. This is what it looks like. There is all these drawers, which are beautiful. As always, it's just beautifully presented. And if you don't get an advent calendar every year, then this is the kind of one that just keeps and can be reused because it's so pretty. So yeah, let's just dive in and get it all open because I am way too excited to stand here chatting. So here is the advent calendar. It's so beautiful. And here is number one. So let's crack her open and have a look what this diva has inside. On the first day of Christmas, we get the iconic London Triple Threat Mascara. I have had this mascara before. It's absolutely incredible. And you know I love iconic London. So this is an amazing start, a very strong start. It's probably worth about £27 alone. So let's have a look at what's under box number two. So here is box number two. So on the second day of Christmas, we shall get... This is a kohl eyeliner by a brand called Swede. It's in the dusty brown. I don't actually know this brand. Maybe I've just been living under a rock and I have a toddler now, so I'm no longer cool and relevant. Who knows? But I will give this a go and see how we get on. You know I live for eyeliner. I found box number three, so let's open her up and see what's inside. It's quite a heavy one, this one. Ooh, okay. So this is by Heirloom. And this is called Copper Dew All Over Nourishing Body Oil. Oh my God, it smells so good. Box number four, I am coming for you. It's big and heavy. This is a hair mask by a brand called Full. I have not heard of them, have you? It is full size, it nourishes and hydrates. And since my hair looks like a big old mop, I can't wait to give this a go. So that's what's inside box number four. Oh my goodness, look at that. So in box number five, we have an MUA Makeup Academy lip gloss. And it shimmers like the sun. It's such a pretty colour, but I don't know if I can get away with it. I mean, this skin with this colour, I don't know if it's for me. However, any products like this that won't work for me, I generally wrap up and make it a little stocking filler for one of my friends. And somebody is going to love this Christmas. Look at this, box number 6. It's big. Let's see what's inside. So on the 6th of December, we actually get 2 items. We get a makeup sponge and a little box to keep it in. Which honestly is a game changer because I feel so disgusting putting my makeup sponge in my dirty old makeup bag. So this is amazing. Because let's be honest, I have a toddler. I'm not washing my makeup sponge every single day. So this is perfect for me. But just a reminder, ladies, we still have to wash our sponges. Just maybe not every single day now. Okay, I'm struggling to find number 7. Seriously, where? Oh, there it is. I feel so dumb. I was looking for a number 7. Not the word 7. Did you know I'm dyslexic? Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh wow, this is by Medicate. I love Medicate. So I've not tried this before. This is the Daily Refresh Balancing Toner, but everything I've tried from Medicate has been absolutely incredible. So this is an incredible box. By the way, just a reminder, this entire advent calendar is worth £624 and it's being sold for less than 100. On the 8th of December, we have Active Glow Nail Polish. I think it gives you a little bit of like glow, and I think it also like looks after your nails. I've never tried this before, but that's very cool, so I'll give it a go. I'm really excited about this. I generally don't get a chance to paint my nails very often, but I like the idea of having a little bit of glow as well as giving my nails a bit of a treat. And now for box number 9, so we are up to the 9th of December. Let's go. This is by Sugar Silk Beauty and it is a lip mask. Another full-size product, and you can use it day or night to give your lips a little treat. It is technically the 10th of December today, but it is not really. We are in September. It is so weird to be talking about the 10th of December when I'm actually in September on a sunny day. But whatever, you know it's going to roll around quick enough. The next item that we have is actually perfect for now. It is by Morphe Cosmetics and it is an SPF 30 setting spray. I've never had a setting spray with an SPF in it. That is a game changer. So that is the next item, and that is the 10th of December. And on the 11th of December, what have we got? Oh, this is a good one. This is Aveeno, and this is a body lotion, which is a skin renewal soothing cream. So if you have dry and sensitive or maybe eczema prone skin, Aveeno is incredible. It's one of the few brands I use on my toddler, just so you know. And let's have a look at box number 12. This is... Yes. This is by Rodial. This is a vitamin C brightening mask. I love this stuff. It's so good. I've not used it for a while because it is very expensive and I haven't bought it for a sweet time, but it is incredible. It brightens your skin and makes you feel so good. Cannot recommend it enough. And we have just hit the halfway point. So we are on the 12th of December, moving into the 13th of December. Let's have a look at what is going on now. We are hotting up towards Christmas. I think the advent calendar is going to get even better. Oh, and did I mention this entire advent calendar retails for under £100, but it's worth £624 of beauty. Okay, here's box number 13. Let's get her open. She's big, she's heavy. Let's have a look. This is by Commodity Milk, and it is a room fragrance. Love it when Glossybox don't just give us beauty and makeup, they give us perfumes as well. Okay, Miss 14, I'm coming for you. Okay, this is by Probiotic Doctor's Formula, a brand I really like. And this is a Radiance Eye Serum. Again, full size, and I don't think we've acknowledged enough how many full-size products are in this advent calendar. On the 15th of December, okay, call me crazy, but I'm so excited for this one. This is by a deodorant brand that I keep getting recommended. They're called Act, and it's meant to be a really beautiful deodorant brand. Completely natural, which is what I'm going for these days. And also, apparently they smell incredible. This one is scented with amber, violet, and tonka. I'm so excited. And I'm just going to secretly share this, but if you want to buy anything from Act, then there's a discount code. This is also inside the advent calendar, so if you want 15% off Act, use code GLOSSY15 and you will get that discount. Thank me later. Also, complete side note here, but if you are a fan of like the theatre or the panto or the ballet or opera, now is your time to try and book tickets. If you leave it much later, there will be no tickets left. Anyway, back to beauty. So we're looking for box number 16. Here she is. This is a day cream by Avant. It's full size, 50ml. A day cream is always handy. And on the 17th of December, this one's very light. Cute, we've got hair clip. Perfect for hairstyling. And let's be honest, I'll probably wear them as they are. Okay, this might not be the biggest or most expensive thing in the box, but it's possibly one of my favourite things. It is one of my favourite beauty products ever. The Emma Hardy Moringa Cleansing Balm. It's so good, I can't even describe how much I love it. So that is on the 18th of December. And on the 19th, another one of my favourite brands. Only I could get it in focus. But this is by Delilah Cosmetics, and it is a lip liner. As for the 20th, we have some Glow Hub Lick Slick Collagen Beauty Lip Balm in the shade Tutu. As for the 21st, I thought it was empty, but it's just hiding. This is by Wonder Beauty, and it's a baggage claim rose gold eye mask. And on the 22nd, is it just me who's like literally ready to bust open the Mariah Carey? Okay, so what have we got? We have Esper. Oh, two products. This is a 2-for-1 day. This is the body lotion and body wash. The 23rd is big and heavy, so let's have a look. Oh, this is by Rituals. These are mini fragrance sticks. How amazing.